Imagine a world where life was created not from carbon, but from silica, one of the most abundant elements in the universe. Instead of the soft, organic forms we're familiar with, silica-based life would be something entirely alien. Let's step into this hypothetical world and explore what it might be like. First, the appearance of silica-based beings might resemble living sculptures, with bodies made of crystalline structures or glass-like exteriors. Their forms could be angular and rigid, shimmering with iridescent colors as light refracts through their silica-based cells. Picture towering, crystalline organisms that sparkle like diamonds in the sun or glow faintly in the dark, reflecting the light around them. Their capabilities would also be extraordinary. Silica is incredibly durable, so these beings might be naturally resistant to extreme conditions, radiation, high temperatures, and even crushing pressures. While carbon-based organisms thrive in relatively narrow conditions, silica-based life could exist in environments that would instantly destroy us. These creatures wouldn't breathe oxygen or consume organic matter like we do. Instead, they might eat minerals and rely on chemical reactions involving silicon dioxide, water, or other compounds found in their environment. Energy could come from processes like absorbing geothermal heat or directly converting sunlight into chemical energy, much like photosynthesis, but with silica-based pathways. Their communication would also be fascinating. Instead of sound, they might transmit information through vibrations or light, using their crystalline bodies to send pulses or shimmering patterns. A conversation between two silica-based beings could look like a dazzling display of light and color, almost like fireworks. But what about intelligence? Silica isn't as flexible as carbon, which means silica-based brains might work very differently. Instead of neurons firing signals, their thoughts could flow through interconnected crystal networks, processing information in ways we can't yet imagine. Their intelligence might be slower but incredibly precise, perfect for solving complex problems over long periods. The environment these beings inhabit would look very different too. Their worlds could be harsh, rocky planets or moons, with high volcanic activity or extreme radiation levels. Atmospheres rich in sulfur dioxide or methane might be ideal for silica-based life, where organic beings like us would struggle to survive. What's most exciting is how these beings would perceive us. To them, carbon-based life might seem impossibly fragile, like water-filled balloons that can barely withstand gravity, let alone the harshness of space. This thought experiment reminds us that life, as we know it, is just one possibility in the vastness of the universe. Silica-based beings might exist out there, thriving in conditions we can't even comprehend. And who knows, maybe they're looking up at their shimmering skies, wondering if other forms of life exist too. Could silica-based life be thriving on distant worlds, or is carbon the only game in town? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-bending explorations. Keep looking up, because life finds a way, no matter the form.